A very good morning to all of you. My name is Ishika. I welcome you all in Shima online classes. Children, this is your maths class. Today in maths, we will remember that we have done already counting and number names 1 to 500 earlier in the month of May. Today we will do again revision of countings. Okay, so today our topic is write counting 1 to 500 in your maths notebook. Children, you have to note down or write down countings that is from 1 to 500 in your maths fair notebook. Okay, now you can see here we have counting that is from 101, because we have earlier done the counting from 1 to 100 and you know it how to write. Now today we will start our counting that is from 3 digit number. The 3 digit number started from 100. As I told you, we have two kinds of places, that is ones and tens. Okay, so when there are 2 digit number comes, it always comes in this way. It means 2 has place value of ones and 1 has place value of tens. But now if we write down again 1, the place value of this number is 100. It means we have now 3 kinds of place value, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Now you all are thinking that why should we have all these place values? Children, I want to tell you that as you have roll number in your classes, same in the way the numbers have place value in the countings. If we don't know the place value, we cannot understand or we cannot know how to write numbers after or before or between or in a way, in a proper way. So if you see, when we have numbers that is from 1 to 9, these are the 1 digit number. So if you see the number from 1 to 9, it the ones is the first place value because the counting started from 1. So the name of first place value is ones. We denote the place value first is a ones. Okay, so the number at last that goes to ones place value. Okay, so every number, it doesn't mean that always you will get 2 there. Any number, if you see the counting, you have different numbers coming by according to the order. So this order you have to keep in your mind, that the first place value is ones, then second place value is tens, and the third place value is 100. Okay, so when we write 100, 1 0 0 in this way, so you will write counting also in this way, or you can just understand the concept of 3 digit number. So from 100 we have our 3 digit number. As I told you, the counting started from 1. That's why we the first place value we give name ones. Then from 10 we have 2 digit number started, so we gave the second place value name is tens. And the 3 digit number that is started from 100, the third place value we give as name is 100. Okay, so in this way you should know that this is the concept goes between the numbers. So now let's see here we have countings. Now we have counting that is from 101 to 200 chart. So this is the chart here. You have to write down counting, that is 101. Okay, 1 0 1 1 0 1, it is written here. Then 102, 103. So whenever you are writing the numbers, you have to read the numbers to 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. So as you see here, we have 0 in between first number and second number, the 0. Why we should put 0 here? Because in tens place there is no two digit number. So 0 has here 0 has tens place value of tens, but here we have one digit number, and this one is goes with each and every line, so it has also the place value, but the middle one number has no place value because it is 1 2 3 4 up to 9, there is single digit number. But from 110, if you see 110, here we replace the 0 with 1 because after 9 10 will start it, and 10 has two digit number, so there is no a place for 0. So in the way we will remove the 0 and we will write 110. Okay, then 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. You can say in this way also, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Then 121, 122, 123. In this way you have to go on, go on, go on up to 200. There is no changes, only you have to put the the one first, then you have to write down the counting, as you know that you have done before from when you are writing 1 to 100. Okay, so there is no changing in numbers. Whatever you are writing prior, that is from 1 to 99, same numbers goes, only the 100 number that comes in 100 place value, it will change. Okay, so if there's 200, and so the next counting is 201. If you see here, the first number is 201. Now 1 is replaced by 2 because now we are counting in 2 lines, in 20 lines. Okay, sorry, in 200 lines. So here we have 201. Now there's again 0 came because again 1 is written in the place value, that is that is ones, and 1 is single digit number, so we want here, we require here 0. But after 9, that is 210, we remove the 0 and we will write only number, that is 210. So when you are saying 200, you should not write this 210, no, because these number, that is 10, take the place of these number. Okay, is it so? Because when if you add 200 with the 10, 200 with 10, it comes 210. So it's a long process, but you should only keep in your mind that whatever number is given in 100 line, that is 200, you have to put 2, then you have to write again counting from 1 to 99. Same number will go along with all the numbers. First 2 in each and every line, first you have to write down 2, then you have to write the other number, that is counting. Now at last again 300 come. Now 299 finish, it means 200 line is finished, and now 300 lines started. Okay, so in the next page you will get 300 to 301. Okay, now again now here we have number that is from 3. Again we have to put 0 because 1 is a single digit number. Now you have to continue up to 9. Up to 9. Okay, now again We have number here 310. Now we remove the 0 and 10 takes place in the 100 line. Tens lines 1 and 0. 310. So these are the place value. 1 belongs to 0 belongs to ones, 1 belongs to 10 and 3 belongs to 100. Okay, you have to keep in your mind that we have place value for the numbers. We will write in a properly in this way the number as itself, so there is no being confusion, or you also not confused with this. Only you have to keep in mind, as you have get your roll number in the classes, the numbers also have their roll number according to this. Okay, ones, tens, 100, it will not change. Okay, so here we have counting, that is from 301 to 400. After this, now 400 will come. It means next is 401 to 500. Here we have number that is from 401 to 500. The 3 is changed, replaced by 4. So here we have 4, then 0, then 1, 4, 0, 1. It means 401, then 402. 402, it will go up to 409. Then again 410 comes. It means 0 is replaced by 10. So now 4, 1 and 0. It will go continue, and 419 after that 500 will come, because now 400 line has stopped, is done up to 99. After 99 we have new number, that is 500. So children, you have to write down counting, that is from 1 to 500. We have done earlier this work in the month of May, but now I want that you will do all this counting, that is from 1 to 500, in your maths fair notebook in a good way, and you should know which number comes in between. This chart will help you in finding out the numbers when you will do the questions like after, what comes after, what comes before, what comes between. All this counting, all this chart, number chart will help you in that way. Okay, so we will meet in next video with the new work. Until then, you have to complete your work properly in your notebook as well as in book, maths book. Be safe at home. Thank you.